How to download videos on Pinterest. Hello, do you like looking for ideas on Pinterest? And when you find an interesting video, you want to save it but don't know how? In this video I will tell you how to easily download videos on Pinterest. But first, don't forget to subscribe to this AndroidTimeZ channel. The first step. First address the video on Pinterest by pressing the three dots in the top right corner of the video. If you get the video link. Then we open the browser on the smartphone. Once open, we type, Pinterest Video Downloader. Then press Enter. We wait a moment for loading until the page opens. Paste the video address in the search bar, then press Enter. The page will load containing the video that we will download. When the video is ready, a Download Video button will appear. You can also download videos by pressing the button in the menu below the video. Easier. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe.